Hello, this is a quick demonstration on the Smart Diet scale. Just start weighing the items right on top of the scale and we'll pick up the weight right on the app. And once you place it on top of the scale, it's very important that you wait until it blinks. Do you see that right there? Now you're ready to weigh the second item. And see? And once it blinks, you can see that it sends the weight of each product right to the app. In this case, we select corn. And our 650,000 food choices, one of them will show up. Just press done. And based upon the weight, it gives you the calorie and nutrition of the product. I'll weigh another item. See, it picks up the weight independently and it sends it right to the app. Banana. See, it's very simple. If you've never seen a scale that does this, it's one of the most unique scales in the marketplace. It has patents and it's a quality scale. Now I'm going to show you how to use your own plate, the way people really eat. All you do is tear everything out. See, it brings everything back to zero. Place the plate right on top of the scale. Once it records it, place tare, and then you can just start building your meal right on top of your plate, just like if you went on top of the scale. Picks up that quadrant. And watch this. I'll place this corn right next to it because food doesn't sit perfectly on top of your plate. It'll pick up its own separate quadrant, even though it's touching it. See that? And it sends the weight right up in here. Corn. And then I'm going to place the banana right next to the corn. And it picked up the weight independently. And I'm going to place this right on top of the scale. And that's a 200-pound weight, 200 gram weight, and it's weighing at exactly 200 grams right on top of the scale.